I am Santosh L from 2nd BSc Biochemistry. Today's my topic about rainwater harvesting. Let's see how to reduce this type of big floods in these cities. Contents, definition, needs, goals, components, methods, advantages and disadvantages. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a technique of collecting, storing and distributing rainwater for multiple uses. The collected water can be stored for direct use or diverted for borewell groundwater recharge. In simple terms, it is a way to capture the rainwater when it rains for later use. Need for rainwater harvesting. To overcome the inadequacy of surface water to meet our demands, to arrest decline in groundwater levels, to enhance availability of groundwater for sustainable development, to improve groundwater quality by dilution, to increase agriculture production. Goals: improve living conditions, substitute groundwater, reduce flood risk, reduce soil erosion risk, recharge groundwater. Rainwater harvesting system requirements. The requirements of rainwater harvesting are as follows: catchment, transportation, first flush, filter. Catchment. The surface that receives rainfall directly is the catchment of rainwater harvesting system. It may be terrace, courtyard, or paved or unpaved open ground. The terrace may be flat, stone roof or sloping roof. Therefore, the catchment is the area which actually contributes rainwater to the harvesting system. Transportation. Rainwater from the rooftop should be carried through down to take water pipes or drains of to the storage harvesting system. Water pipe should be UV resistant ISI, HDPE, PVC pipes of the required capacity. Water from sloping roofs could be caught through gutters and down take the pipe. And next, the first flush. The first flush is a device used to flush off the water received in first shower. The first shower of rains needs to be flushed off to avoid containing storable, rechargeable water by the probable contaminants of the atmosphere and the catchment roof. It will also help in cleaning of silt in the sense mannadithal, and other material deposited on roof during dry seasons. Provisions of first rain separator should be made at outlet of each drain pipe. And next, the filter. Filter are used for treatment of water to effectively remove turbidity, color, and microorganisms. After first flushing of rainwater, water should pass through filters or directly stored in tank and filter before use. A gravel, sand, and Netlon mesh pressure filter is designed and placed on top of the storage tank or near the tank depending upon the use. Rooftop rainwater harvesting system. Here the rainwater can be collected from the roof, sheeted with coagulated mild steel are preferable since they are easiest to use and give the cleanest water, and then it is transported to transportation pipes and it is filtered and stored. And in the storage, it is used to store water that is collected from the roof through filter for small scale. Plastic buckets using cans, cement jars, ceramics, drums may be used. Next. For larger quantities of water, the system will require bigger tank with cylindrical or rectangular or square in shape constructed with ferrocement, cement or plain cement concrete or reinforced cement concrete, bricks, stones, etc. Methods of rainwater harvesting. Storage for direct use, recharging groundwater aquifers. Storage for direct use. Larger reservoir. Larger reservoir in the sense பெரிய நீர்த்தேக்கம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Major irrigation tanks, minor tanks, micro storage facilities, that is farm ponds. Commonly used recharge methods. Groundwater recharge. Groundwater can be artificially recharged by redirecting water across the land surface through canals, infiltration basins, or ponds, adding irrigation furrows or sprinkler system, or simply injecting the water directly to the subsurface through injection wells. Recharge trenches and recharge pits. Recharge trenches. Recharge trench is provided where upper impervious layer of soil is shallow. This method is suitable for small houses, playgrounds, ponds, and roadside drains. Recharge pits. These pits are suitable for recharging of shallow aquifers and small houses. And advantages. Relatively cheap materials can be used for construction, containers, and collecting surfaces. Construction methods are relatively straightforward, low maintenance cost and requirements. Collected rainwater can be consumed without treatment if a clean collected surface has been used. Helps reduce the storm drainage load and flooding in the cities. Last is disadvantages. Unpredictable rainfall, initial high cost, regular maintenance, certain roof types may seep chemicals or animal droppings, storage limits, and finally, reduce, reuse, recycle the water. Thank you.